Yeah, trying to film the drone in the specific place you can fly in Tainan. There's many red spots you can fly. It was quite windy, so we were trying out, especially in the last day of the tomb sweeping day. So you can see a lot of traffic, a lot of people everywhere. But overall, it's okay. I was a little bit nervous in the beginning. The wind was strong and downstairs, but when I started flying, it started to come back, and it wasn't that hard to fly. Overall, it's steady. It was not that warm. Felt strong wind, but it wasn't compared to the other location I flew in Sweden. So overall, it's okay. Not that windy. And as you can see, it's gonna record some places I'm gonna test out, and you see the Tainan outlet there from the side coming up soon. Pretty much there's not much to see, but as you can see, it's very green stuff, and some places they're gonna build a hospital there, so this place gonna blossom and change maybe in a near 5 years in the future. So that's pretty cool. But overall, first day of my trip to fly the drone, and I'm quite satisfied. I'm gonna fly more when we come to Maoli, show scenery and stuff like that. As you saw to the left, that's the HSR, and that's a school there. I don't know how to say that in Mandarin, but I can tell you later about it. That's a school there, at least university. So it has big facilities. You can see sports and stuff going on.
Did you film him?
Yeah, of course I can. I filmed the dogs. Yeah.
Oh, you take away
It's so this is the place we fly. This is the only place we can fly in Tainan that's close to us. So I'm trying out Hyperlash, so you're gonna see some raw editing and stuff like that, but it's cool. And but it's very functional, so I'm gonna use it a lot. So you're gonna see what's yeah, so I'm recording myself now. Same kind of like a scooter. Why is a professional driver scooter ride? So this is the view. Yeah. Yeah, so we're waiting on it's faster. As you can see from the other clip, there is too noisy with the wind with microphone, so I'm not gonna use that anymore. I'm gonna record when we are maybe not moving at all, so you can hear what I speak. Otherwise the wind gonna catch up everything. I tried to raise up the microphone, but it just pick up the wind, so it's no from now on. But at least you learn by doing. Like and subscribe. See you later.